Hi guys, this is my 29th video of our DBMS question series. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the questions at 29. So let's read the first question. Find the all marks obtained by the students in all the subjects in the first term to the integer. Okay guys, this is the query for the first question. I selected the mark as unsigned value from the student exam mark record table, and where the term ID is equal to the subquery select term ID from exam term where the term name is first term. So let's execute the query. You can see here are the marks got by the students. So if we want the student names also, so we can add this thing. Okay guys, you can see here we have the first name, last name, and also the marks got in the first term. There are 3 records because they have 3 subjects. So let's get into the next question. Find the average 2 decimal places in the marks obtained by the students for the first term mathematics subject. Okay guys, this is the query for the question number 2. I got an error while doing this because I didn't apply the voucher for marks. I applied them as integers, so there are no decimal values. So here we get only a 1 decimal value because there are no decimal values inside of my database. So this is the query. This is the correct query for this function. Select cast, then mark as decimal to here 2. That means we get 2 decimal points from the student exam mark record table, and we measure the subject and exam term by the subject ID and the term ID. Then we have these conditions. Conditions are mathematics and first term. Then the term name is first term, subject name is mathematics. So let's execute the query and see result. Okay, here we got the results, but we don't have the decimals because I did them as integers. So this is the next question. What is the lowest mark obtained for science subject in all terms examinations of all students in 11A? Okay guys, this is the query for the question number 3. So let's execute the query and see result. Okay, we get the min mark is 24. Here is the query. We select the minimum mark from the student exam mark record table, and we use subqueries here as we used inner joins at the last many videos. So we get the subquery first. First subquery is a subject ID from the subject table where the subject name is science. Then we get the next subquery as index number from the student table, and student table's class ID subquery is class ID is equal to where the class name is 11a. So this is the whole query for question number 3. So let's get into the question number 4. Find the average of the marks obtained in Amanda Moses second term mathematics, science and Sinhala language and literature. Okay guys, this is the query for the question number 4. You can see we select the average mark as decimal 10 and 2 from the student exam mark record table, and we use subqueries here where the subject ID is equal to subject name mathematics or science or Sinhala. Okay, then the index number is equal to the student table's index number where the first name is Amanda and the last name is Moses. And at last we get the term ID from the exam term table where the term is first term. So let's execute query and see the result. Okay, here we got 88.33 is the average mark that got by Amanda Moses for the first term for the mathematics, science and English subjects. So let's go to the 5th question. Find the average 2 decimal places in marks obtained by the students in the class 11A in the second term for all subjects. Okay, let's write the query. Okay guys, this is the query for the 5th question. So let's read the query. We get the average marks as decimal by 2, then from the student exam mark record table where the term ID is equals to the subquery term name equal second term, and the index number equal to the subquery in the student table where the class ID is equal to the next subquery, the class name equal to 11a. This is the subquery. This query is made by subqueries. So let's execute this and see the result. Okay, you can see 76.67 is the average marks of the all students at the second term grade 11A class. So this is the end of my question set 29 video. So let's meet in my question set 30 video. Thank you guys for watching.